a student in 90 Move 1 class at CB Mỹ Tho. Today, I'd like to talk about planting trees. My main action is planting trees in my garden. Every day, I water the trees and take care of them with my family. Planting trees is important because they give us fresh air and make our world more beautiful. Last month, my family planted two small trees in front of our house. We were very happy because our garden looked greener. At CB Center, I learn English and share good ideas with my friends. Let's plant more trees and protect our earth together. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.